Hi, I'm Dr. John Hutchinson, Professor of Chemistry and Dean of Undergraduates at Rice University, where I've been for the past 29 years. I'm going to be the instructor for this class, Chemistry Concept Development and Application. It will be based upon the course I've been teaching at Rice for the past 24 years. I've taught general chemistry for each of those years. The topics we're going to be covering are fairly conventional for a first-year chemistry semester course. We'll cover the atomic and molecular structure of matter. We'll talk about the structures and energetics of atoms. We'll talk about chemical bonding. We'll talk about the energies of molecules. We'll talk about the energies of chemical reactions and the structure of matter in general. Those topics are fairly conventional. What will be unconventional is the approach that we're going to apply here. Rather than us simply tell you what concepts you need to know about chemistry, we're going to examine experimental observations about chemistry, use those observations and scientific reasoning to develop models in chemistry, and then apply those models. Hence, the title of this class is Chemistry Concept Development and Application. We'll cover both the concept development and the application. The reason for this is fairly simple. We've learned over many years that students understand concepts in chemistry much better if they've seen where they've come from, if they've been able to develop those concepts by doing experimental observations, thinking about those experimental observations, discussing them, discussing the reasoning, and coming to the conclusions. This turns out also to be significantly more interesting and exciting because it mirrors the way in which science is actually done. The materials for this course are in fact somewhat unique, and I have written them. They are available to you freely online on Rice's Connections project, a repository for educational materials of all types that you might find interesting to explore. From Rice's Connections project, you'll be able to download all of these materials, print them out if you like. You'll read them in advance of the lectures that I give and then watch those lectures online. I look forward to seeing you in the course when we launch in January.